Okay, problem number A. Let's take a look. Let's finger track and read the given information. So it says a regular polygon has a single interior angle of 135, a side length of 8 centimeters, and an apothem length of 9.7. Find the area. Okay, so one step at a time. We have a regular polygon. It has a single interior angle of 135. So we have a regular polygon which has a single interior angle which is equal to 135. The problem is, since it says it's a polygon, we don't know the number of sides. So the first thing here is we don't know the n. That's an unknown. But we do know whatever the length is, the side length is 8 centimeters, and the apothem is 9.7. So we don't know how many sides we have here. But what we do know is we have a single interior angle. So a single interior angle is going to be sum over sides equals 135. And in this case, we don't know the number of sides, and it's interior, so sum of the interior angles, the sum of interior angles, sides minus 2 times 180, so that's sides minus 2 times 180 over n equals 135. So now you use this to solve for how many number of sides we have. We're going to put this over 1 and cross multiply. We have 135n equals, and now I'm going to distribute this, 180n minus 360 times 1. So from here, I'm going to minus 135n minus 135n, and on this side, I'm going to plus 360. I'm going to plus 360. So here I have 360 equals, now I have to subtract this and figure out what goes in here. And that's 45n, 180 minus 135. So now we're going to divide by 45. That cancels. And we get 8. N equals 8. Now, that means we have a regular octagon. So now we can find the area. Now we come up to the area, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're all equal. And we're told that we have one side length of 8 and the apothem length of 9.7. Now we write out an equation for area of a regular polygon. So area equals pa over 2. So it's perimeter. So first we have to get perimeter. So that's 8, and then you walk it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Our apothem is 9.7 over 2. That's our area. So last but not least, we have 64 here. 64 times 9.7 divided by 2, and we get 310.4. Now we need to check for units, what kind of units were involved here. We aren't told the units, so the area is 310.4, and we're just going to call it units squared. So the trick here is, because we knew a single interior angle is that we had to find out that it was an octagon. And once you know that it's an octagon, then you can apply perimeter times apothem over 2. Make sure you have all the steps and you're prepared to explain it to your classmates.